The holiday season is upon us, and selling on Amazon is getting very competitive. So if you want to know how you can increase your sales by 25%, stay tuned. Hello and welcome to AMZ Unlocked. I am Kimberly Locke, and you have found the place for all things Amazon, where you can get inspiration and empowerment to create success in your Amazon business. Today, we're talking real business about how you can seriously improve your sales. You know, you have to have a great image to get the click, but once they land on your product page, how do you get the conversion? You want to make sure that you get them on the page, you keep them on the page until they add to cart and finish the purchase. So here are a few really easy, actionable tips you can take to improve your listing and improve your sales. If you don't already have premium A+ content, you need to make that happen, because one of the great things about it is you can add video to your premium A+ content on your product page. And we all know video converts very, very well. Another thing you must have in your infographics and in your A+ content is a comparison photo. You need that comparison chart in your infographics to highlight how your product is going to make your customer's life better. Don't just list features, list benefits. How is it going to make my life better if I buy your product? Before I get to the next tips, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. And if you're getting value out of this, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons so you get notified of upcoming content. And if you want to go deeper, check the link in the description for information about my comprehensive workshops and how you could work with me one-on-one to get personalized guidance to help you succeed with your Amazon business. Now back to those tips. And if you missed lightning deals for Black Friday, don't worry. The rest of the shopping season is still ahead, so you can definitely create those lightning deals and best deals. Also, don't forget my hot tips about creating a stack of coupons through your promotions. You can check that out in the link in the description in case you missed that previous video. And do not forget your Amazon posts. In addition to posting on your social media channels, you need to be leveraging Amazon posts. And if you can post 3 to 4 times a day, even better. Make sure that when you're creating these posts that you're checking them in mobile format, that they're going to look right. And that's another big tip for your A+ content. Make sure it looks good in mobile. You want to optimize your A+ content and your storefront for mobile viewing, because more than 50% of the shopping on Amazon happens on a mobile device. I hope that's been valuable and provided some actionable steps that you can take quickly to improve your sales this holiday season and beyond.